this 2022 European Encounter, we will bring out the best in ourselves to, with the help of the workshop, be closer to the goal of self-mastery. Let's be part of that great divine light that guides all our brothers and sisters in Europe towards a new life, towards a better life. In addition, we will do our best to fellowship and fraternize, living joint experiences. Imagine being at one of the most antique centers of worship in the whole continent, or enjoy a guided trip to Malaga with other readers. And all of this in the magnificent spot of Torremolinos, with an ideal climate and with the natural splendor of the Mediterranean Sea. Friends, readers, let's enjoy being a helping hand.